All right, so you want to create a course, but you don't have a lot of resources or a lot of money to do that. Well, the great thing is you can create a course on a budget, and I mean a very low cost budget. So I wanted to give you some tips on, what resources those might be and how to do it. So the first thing is, you have your topic, you've got your, the idea or the direction that you're going, and you hopefully have researched your target audience because you want to make sure that you are putting the right message in front of the right people, and you're ready to put all your content together, right? So plan ahead. Before you start creating your course, get everything ready first. That way you don't waste any time, that you don't waste any effort into building a course that maybe a lot of things might be unnecessary. So make sure you're planning everything, okay? Make sure that you're putting your content together and planning ahead. Once you have your topic and you've got an understanding of what you want to teach and what your students or your audience is going to learn, then you can focus on creating engaging content. A budget-friendly way to put together a course or grabbing content is using, like, repurposing your own content, whether that's blogs or videos or different quizzes or podcasts or anything that you've maybe already done. You can repurpose it and create a course. Now, if you don't have any content, that's okay. Making sure that you understand your target audience, their needs and preferences, you can create content around that. You can create content around your target audience's pain points and needs, and you can do it all in Canva. You can make slides, you can make posts, you can make images, you can do all kinds of things in Canva, and it doesn't cost you anything. I know that if you want to do Canva Pro, it does cost a little bit more, but you don't have to get the Pro version. You can create the entire video slide in Canva right there for free using the stock images and stock videos that they actually provide you in the free version of Canva. Next, you want to choose a platform to host your course. Now, there's going to be tons of platforms. Kartra, Teachable. There's different ones that you can try that are very low cost as well. Now, Kartra is not low cost, but it is a very good. It's a all in one. Everything that you could possibly need is in Kartra. But if we're trying to save money, that's probably not the direction you want to go. But Teachable is really good as well. And I think there's Udemy or Udemy. I probably said that wrong, and I apologize for that. You can correct me in the comments. But those are just a few different ways that you can put a course on your platform for very, very low cost. Now, one really important things that I wanted to bring up really quick is do not take all your time researching and trying to pick which one is for you and which one's best and moving from here to there. Let me tell you from experience, it's a waste of time. Pick one, create your course, push it out, and then you can choose one that best fits you. But until you make your course, just choose one that is low cost, figure it out, and put your course on there and start with it, because it's really easy to get caught up in, oh, this person's using this one, so it's got to be better, or this person, this has got to be better because of this and this. Pick a platform, build out your course, promote it, get it out, and then you can choose a different platform if that one does not work for you. So now when it comes to video content, this is another easy one. You can use your phone, you can use your computer camera. I actually use a webcam, and I have tried other ones. The webcam that I use is amazing. It has a great picture. It is very low cost, so I'm going to include that in the description below so you can get it. But I think it cost me like $60, and it comes with a microphone built into it, so I win. So it's a great option. But if you can't do that, that's okay. You can use your phone to create great video content. You can absolutely use your phone, use your computer, use something, and you can find even cheaper webcams than the one that I'm going to present you. I don't know how good they might be, but this one that I'm showing you is excellent, and I'm probably not going to change it for a while. Another thing is lighting. You, I'm gonna give you down in the description the one that I did. All I did was buy a ring, and then I got a stick, and I put the, I don't know what the stick is called, to be quite honest, but I put the ring on there, and voila, it works perfectly. And I will add that to the description because it doesn't cost a lot of money. You do not have to buy the most expensive equipment and, use all your money on this type of equipment. Now, when it comes to video editing, I actually use Clipchamp, which is another low cost, and I absolutely love it. I also use Descript, which I like. I don't like it as much as Clipchamp, but I do like it. But there are other ones as well. There's some free ones. There's iMovie. There is Windows Movie Maker, and where you can edit your videos. Those two are free, but Clipchamp is, it's just a great option because it comes with stock videos, stock images, super easy to plug here, take out there, and Descript is easy as well. I just don't like it. It's not as easy for me as Clipchamp is, and I got a lot of things that I can use in Clipchamp. So for editing, the low cost, it can be free or it can be very low cost like Clipchamp. There's a whole bunch of other ones that you can go and look for, but if you're wanting something low cost or free, those are some great ones. Finally, don't forget to market your course, okay? This is absolutely free as well. Now, of course, there's paid advertising that you can add, but you don't have to. As long as you're consistently posting or sharing your content with your target audience, you can absolutely do it without paying for it. Whether that's YouTube, TikTok, social media platforms of any kind, Pinterest, so search engines, using SEO. These are great ways to get your course out there. So you can create a course and you can put it all together pretty much free or at least very low cost and promote it at very low cost. So don't worry, don't break the bank trying to create a course and putting all this stuff together, especially on your first version. You just want to get one out there and then you can build up to something else if it doesn't work for you. So I hope that brought you value. My name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose, and I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find value in this video, hit the like button or subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.